Hello everyone, and welcome back to another video from Justeliving Naturals. My name is Shireen and I am the owner and founder of Justeliving Naturals. Today will be a face video, but before we begin, I wanted to say welcome to all our returning subscribers, and welcome if this is your first time here. And if it is, make sure to hit that subscribe button so that you are notified the next time we drop another video. Okay, so let's get right down into it. So I wanted to do a video about skincare. As you know, Justeliving Naturals only offers handmade products for hypoallergenic skin and hair care. We also offer internal products for internal use like sea moss and elderberry syrup. So we're all about 360 health here, and part of that 360 health is our face. Now, we don't take as good as the best care of our face as we should sometimes, and I must say, I'm speaking for myself, I've neglected my face. So I wanted to show you a quick video of how I do one of my masks. I don't do anything all the time, or I don't have like a set regiment, simply because my face does what it wants to do and it wants to do it. And if it gets too comfortable with a set of routines, then it just does not act right. So let's get down to it. Today's video will be me applying a sea moss face gel, and this sea moss gel is something that I carry. It's for internal use, but you can use it on your face. And today I'm doing the elderberry infused sea moss. So I put a little in my jar. I have my trusty brush. It's just elderberry, guys. It's elderberry with sea moss. Blended into the sea moss. And elderberry has a lot of it's antibacterial, anti-inflammatory. It is filled with free radical fighting ingredients. It has a lot of antioxidants in there, and as you know, sea moss has 92 minerals of the 102 minerals that your body needs. So, and since your face is the biggest organ of your body, it's gonna soak all that in. So let's begin. I'm taking a little trusty face brush. You can find this anywhere, 99-cent store, and I'm just applying it. You can apply it to freshly washed skin, face, or if you don't want to be bothered like me, just put it on. And what this is going to do is it's going to detox your skin, pulling out all those toxins from being on the road. You know, we're always in traffic, so there's a lot of pollution in the air. And so while you're thinking about detoxing your body, your skin is a part of your body. So you want to detox that. Don't worry if a little gets in your mouth. You can eat it. Be careful of your eyes. Okay, and try not to get any in your hair, but if you do, again, it's all natural, and it's actually very good for your hair. It has conditioning agents. I make sure to get my eyebrows, because I'm going to keep that puppy growing healthy. And I had some pimples coming up right about here. So I want to make sure that I cover that very well. And you can just use your hands too if you don't have a brush. I'm just being fancy today. Okay. Only the best for you. And you want to make sure that you get under your chin. You know, when we're putting on our face mask and things of that nature, we neglect this area right here. That's our neck. But do you know that your neck shows age as well as your face? Don't neglect the neck. Okay, so I think I got it. think so. I think I got it. Okay. Make sure you get that, your T-zone. I have some age, some wrinkles on my forehead. I hate seeing it. I don't know if it's me frowning a lot, or maybe it's I'm being surprised all the time. I have no idea. But I'm gonna make sure I get the sea moss in there. And sea moss has collagen in it. It's a natural plant-based collagen. So you don't need to get it from animal protein or anything like that. From animal, you can just use a natural sea moss from the ocean, plant-based, wild-crafted, and it helps to give your skin elasticity. It softens your skin while it's detoxing it, and it's going to give you a nice, healthy glow. So, as you can see, I've applied the sea moss gel and the sea moss and elderberry gel all over my face, and I'm going to let this dry. And I will return with just to show you how it looks when it's dried on your face. And in case you are wondering about the sea moss and any of the other products that I'll be using in this video, check your description box. It'll all be there for you. Okay? I just wanted to show you that how stiff the skin is. When you apply the sea moss, you will get some stiffness because it's pulling everything out. So, and you want to keep this on for 15 to 20 minutes, okay? You don't want it to be super dry that it's flaking off, but you don't want it to still be wet either. So when you feel your face is so tight that you can't move it, that's a good time to start to wash it off. And we are back. So as you can see, I have washed off the aloe and elderberry gel, and oh my goodness, I wish you could feel this softness. Look at this skin. It feels tight, but not so tight you can't move it. It's kind of like I got a facelift, can you tell? So let me give you a quick look. I hope you can see the difference because I can feel the difference. Okay, awesome. So after you've applied your sea moss gel, and you can use plain sea moss or sea moss with elderberry, and you can do whatever you want to do, but the point is to get that thing on your face. And you can do this every day or once a week. I prefer to do it at night if possible, because after a long day you want to get all that outside off of your face. So then I'm going to apply my rose water, hand infused rose water, toner, just to help calm the skin. And I pat it in. Pat it in. You press it into your face. You press it in. Well, the rose water is it tones the skin, so it works together with your mask. So after you've pressed it in, then my skin is very sensitive, so I don't really use butters on my face. I did develop this iGlow Facial Serum, and it's awesome. Okay, it's awesome for sensitive skin. You can use it underneath your makeup. I don't wear makeup, but my clients who do say it works perfect underneath their makeup. And it has argan oil, jojoba oil, sea buckthorn oil, borage oil, cranberry seed oil, vitamin E oil, and of course rose petals, which is also in the rose water. That just is an all-around beauty ingredient, and it's used in so many different cultures for softening the skin and toning the skin and helping the texture of the skin as well. So I'm going to use a couple drops of this, and just put a couple in my hand, and this is how I like to apply it. I smooth it on my forehead. I go upwards. In my face, I go outwards. And don't be afraid to apply a little more if you need. It's your face. You know what your face needs. So there's no like method that you can't put too much, or you can't put. It's your whatever your skin needs. My skin drinks a lot of I have combination skin. Let's put it that way. So this area of my face, that's my T-zone, is my dry area, and this area of my face is my oily area. The great thing about this face oil is that it drinks in. After applying this, give it like about a minute or two, and you'll see it just drinks in. Your skin drinks it in, and it leaves such a nice little glow, and it is still perfect for those parts of your skin that's dry, that's always drinking moisture. But if you need additional, you know, something on top of this, you can use my Restoration Day and Evening Cream, which I don't have here for some reason. And that is it. And I am looking gorgeous. And that is my routine, or my whenever I feel like it routine. I add a little lip gloss. And that's it. I'm good to go. Hit the road. I could fluff out. I'm probably going to be fluffing out my hair and do whatever, because this is an old twist out. But I never fluffed it. So I want to thank you so much for joining me on this video, and I hope you enjoyed it. And if you did, please go ahead and like that video. And if this is your first time here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, and also share. I'm sure you have some friends that can learn from this video and get helpful tips. And if you don't mind, and if you want to, make sure to leave a comment down below. I'm open to answering any of your questions. I try my best to get to them as soon as possible. I know for those who have been subscribed to me, it takes me a while to put out a new video, and for that I so apologize. I have such a busy life here running Justeliving Naturals, taking care of my 2 beautiful children and my husband, and so please forgive me, but I'm trying my best to get them out as soon as possible. So once again, thank you so much for joining me on another video for Justeliving Naturals. This is Shireen, your host. I will see you next time. Take care. Bye bye for now.